Let's talk about how to use chopsticks. Now, there are many different ways you can hold it and pick stuff up. We're gonna show you my dad's way of holding chopsticks. So, first of all, it's all about the hand positioning, right?
Yes. Make sure the chopstick is the same length.
Okay, same like you can do that just by holding it vertically on your surface right here. So now this is the same length.
And next, you put one of the chopstick
on your ring finger, okay? So the bottom chopstick is gonna hang out, it's just gonna rest on your ring finger.
Another one is in between.
Okay, it's between the index finger and the middle finger, and your thumb is really, the top phalange is holding on to the top chopstick, okay? Now, you really don't wanna move anything except for your index finger and your middle finger, right?
Look at this.
The ring finger is still, the thumb is still, and only the index finger and the middle finger are moving.
Yes.
Okay, great. So now when you're picking things up, you're using this middle and ring finger to pick it up like that, right?
Yes.
Okay.
If you pick up noodles, just like this and turn.
Ah, so you're diving in and you're...
Otherwise, it will drop.
That's right.
Okay, you need to turn.
Yeah. It's like a clothes hanger, right?
Yes.
Okay, so you're diving in and you're turning. Now, there's some etiquette when it comes to picking up chopsticks as well, right? You never want to go reach over, right?
And also never use a chopstick, point to somebody. Otherwise, they will fight.
Okay, if you want to fight someone, if you want to get into a fist fight, then you can point, but otherwise, don't do that. It's really impolite.
Yeah.
All right, some just basic chopstick etiquettes. And again, no two persons gonna hold it the same way, but hopefully this will get you start getting comfortable at using chopsticks.
Yes, that's right.
Really, repetition is the key. Practice on everything. Pick up some mushrooms. Maybe like if you see a fly buzzing around, try to pick it up, like the Karate Kid as well.
The people want to use a chopstick to pick up the marble. Why? Use a spoon to pick up the marble. Why you need to use the chopstick?
They use it to practice, to get better, right?
That's okay.
Okay.
Okay, but never use a chopstick to pick up something wrong.
Don't pick up any marbles around objects. It's good for getting better, but not very practical, and certainly don't eat the marbles as well. You're gonna regret that.
Yes.
Hey, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, leave a comment, do all that fun stuff, and we'll see you in the next video.